Reporting an accident to the Allstates is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If an accident just occurred, ensure that everyone involved is safe. If there are any injuries, call emergency services immediately. Collect essential information about the accident, including date and time of the accident, location of the accident, description of how the accident occurred, names, contact information, and insurance details of all parties involved, names and contact information of any witnesses, photos of the accident scene, including damage to vehicles and property. Once you're safe and have gathered the necessary information, you can report the accident to Allstate. You have a few options to do so. You can call Allstate's Claims Department directly. The phone number for reporting claims is usually provided on your insurance card or policy documents. Many insurance companies, including Allstate, offer online claim reporting options through their website or mobile app. Log into your Allstate account and look for the option to report a claim online. If you have the Allstate mobile app installed on your smartphone, you may be able to report the accident directly through the app. Look for the option to report a claim or contact Allstate customer support for assistance. When reporting the accident, be prepared to provide detailed information about what happened. This may include the information you gathered earlier. Once you've reported the accident, follow any instructions provided by the Allstate claims representative. They may ask for additional information or documentation to process your claim. Keep records of all communication with Allstate regarding the accident, including claim numbers, dates and times of phone calls or online submissions, and the names of any representatives you speak with. Throughout the claims process, be cooperative and provide any requested information or documentation promptly. This will help expedite the resolution of your claim.